Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by lowering physiological arousal. Sit, place feet on floor, and do box breathing for 5-10 minutes. You're doing this to interrupt the stress loop so your thinking can return. Once done, simplify your environment, dim lights, and silence your phone to remove triggers. Make sure to note current sleep, caffeine, and movement for 3 days. You need that baseline to know what to change next. This is the practical foundation, so subsequent skills actually work. You now create routines that shift your baseline stress. First, lock in a consistent sleep window, wake and sleep within 30 minutes daily to stabilize mood and cortisol. Next, move for 20 to 40 minutes most days. Brisk walking or yoga raises heart rate and metabolizes anxiety chemicals. Once done, use a scheduled worry period. Give yourself 15 minutes to process concerns, then refocus with a written task list. These habits change your nervous system over weeks, not hours, so be persistent. You finish by combining active skills with real practice. Start progressive exposure. Pick a small, manageable fear and approach it repeatedly until anxiety drops by half. This trains safety learning. Parallel that with cognitive reframing, label automatic thoughts, test their evidence, then choose a corrective action. Once done, create a fallback plan, a quick grounding exercise plus 10 minutes of behavioral activation, a short, achievable task. If things go wrong, revert to grounding, shorten exposure steps, and rebuild from small.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.